Well, we can't win them all, guys. As y'all can see, that little Fbody Camaro pretty much bodied the Mustang, and you know, it was fun. I'm still getting used to this transmission. I'm not gonna blame it on that, but my shifts are a little bit slower, so it could have been a little bit closer. That guy definitely has some driver mod. He sent me over his GoPro footage. So, but all in all, guys, that little Camaro, it's making some power because I think it's trapping 120 or something like that in the quarter. I'll put up his draggy slip here. He said he didn't mind. I always ask before I post up any mods or anything like that. It's a little LS1 with a fast intake and some trick flow heads, and he said it's making around 470, 480 to the wheel. And that little car is peppy, man. That little car is peppy. I told him, let's throw a 100 shot on it, let's throw a 150 shot on it, and that car can play around with a lot of big dog cars, because with that driver mod and that engine setup, it's definitely rolling out. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this one, please drop a comment down below. Let me know what you guys thought. I know I got gapped. It's all good, man. It's all in the sport, and I had a lot of fun, you know, filming this video for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed it also. So if you guys are brand new to the channel, we do Mustang things here and racing and stuff like that. We still gotta go make a quarter-mile trip in the car, so that's definitely coming soon, guys. We're definitely headed back to the track soon. We'll see you guys on the next one. It's your boy 4.6 Chris. Peace out, man.